Today in this video I will show you how to hide side panel button on Google Chrome. So this is very easy to hide it. So first you need to open your Chrome browser and paste this link I will give in description box. This link I will give in description box. Just paste it and press enter. So this type of screen will be open. So need to search this side panel. In my case it is not showing, so select disable. You need to hide. Now click on relaunch. Just click on it and wait some few minutes. You see this Chrome will be open. So this is hide or disable. You need to enable, so simply click on this drop down, click on enable and click on this ribbon. So this way you can hide the side panel button on Google Chrome. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video work for you or not.